Hello, very good evening. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can very easily upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 8 or Windows 10. Whichever operating system you're using, you can very easily upgrade your system to your latest version of Windows called Windows 11, free of cost, using the Windows default settings and update feature, if it is available to you in your region. If it is there, you can do that automatically, very easily, very simply, and I will show you in this very quick tutorial. So if you're here for the first time, don't go by without subscribing, man. Please do subscribe, and as we will be updating on this channel more tips and tricks regarding Windows, how to use it, the features and everything. If you are able to do upgrade, give it a thumbs up. If you are still having a problem, let us know in your comments and I will try to help you out and assist you in resolving your problem. So let's begin. Now, once you are in your Windows 8, all you need to do is come inside your Windows menu by clicking on the Windows icon or just pressing the window key from your keyboard. Then go into your settings. Once you click here on the settings tab, your Windows update and security settings panel will appear. Once this appears, click on the Windows upgrade and security option. Once you do click here, this will take you to your Windows update option. You can come here directly from settings as well, and by any other means if you were like, if you're already familiar with that. Once you're here, you would be able to see download and install button, as simple as that. This should be there if you are updating your Windows regularly. An update to regular Windows will give you this particular button. It should be there. It's free to use if you already have a registered copy of Windows 8 or Windows 10 for that matter. Once you do click on download and install, that's all you need to do. This option should be there. You can leave your system to be on Windows 10, but in my case, I want to update, so do update. If you don't see this option, do ensure you click on check for updates. Make sure you are updated. You check for updates regularly. Once you do that, you will be getting this feature very soon. Once you click on this feature, then Windows will go and install and work on your updates. It will start a couple of times. So once the installation will restart, it will restart your computers a couple of times. If you are on the most recent builds, the installation should be very fast. When complete, Windows will go through its configuration phase and then boot to the Windows desktop. There you are. Once you are on your Windows desktop, Windows is installed. It might take 5 to 10 minutes, so just be patient. When the first installation is done, that's what you need to do. I hope you understand this process. So go on, update your Windows 10 and enable the amazing new world of Windows 11. And I will be posting more tips and tricks and about how you can use Windows 10 and Windows 11 more efficiently, more easily and more quickly. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and to get more tips and tricks about Windows and all the features. And if you're having any problem, let me know in the comments down below and I will try to help you out. Thank you for watching. See you around. Ciao.